Today we are taking a look at this drone right over here. I'm going to show you everything that comes with it and everything that you need to know about it. So let's see what comes inside the box right over here. So what everyone wants to know right off the bat, the max flight time per battery is 20 minutes. It does come with 3 batteries though. If you cycle through them, you could definitely get that battery life up. Really cool right here. It has a nice little walkthrough of all the different controls that you need, which I personally like. It's just nothing worse than getting something and not knowing how to use it. So they have that, which is great. It comes with this nice case right over here. It also has auto return. So if the signal gets lost for whatever reason, your battery is low, or if you want to just hit the return to home button, you don't have to worry about that. It will come home. And the camera can tilt 90 degrees as well, and it has a 50x zoom. So this is going to be your main unit right over here. This is how you turn it on and off right over here, which is super easy. We have all our controls right here. You do have the option to lock this as well. These are going to be your camera controls up here. We have a variety of things. This is what the back bottom looks like right over here. So really nice. You can see this is the camera, just like that. So if you just want to turn that off, that's all you have to do here. This is the actual drone itself. So this is what this looks like. We got the propellers right over here. So you have different ones right over here. We got 4 different sets right over here. Really easy just to kind of get these out, get them going, which is really nice. So we'll go like that, move that just like that. And then you can see we've used this a little bit. The blades are pretty sturdy. And then our battery is going to go right up here. So this is going to be how you get the battery on right over here. You're literally just going to pop it in here and you are good to go. To charge these batteries, you'll see right back here. That is where you're going to charge it. And then we get another one right over here as well. We have extra propellers right in this bag as well, which is a really nice feature. And then it comes with a screwdriver to kind of get all that stuff out. Then we have all our different chargers right over here. Like the fact that they give a charger for each battery. Just overall, if you're looking for a great drone that has the auto return feature, has multiple cameras, you'll see right over here, these are the cameras right over here, that is HD. This is the one that moves around, which is really nice. Just overall, this is what the drone looks like. This is everything it comes with. So if you're in the market for a drone, you might want to check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I can do this review.